First question is from Akshay. Akshay is facing a issue with automatic payment program. Okay. So Akshay, can you share your screen? Is it possible to share your screen because it is important for others also, where they will understand?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm making you host. Please wait. Yeah. Give me a second.
Mhm.
You can share now.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can see your screen. Double click on the item. Okay. One mistake, I think you have not selected individual payment checkbox. Okay. If you refer my video, even I did not select. After that, I told you we have to select it. So go back, go to the vendor master.
This one.
Yeah, press enter button. Once again, press enter. Okay, once again. Not here. Okay, it's okay. We go back. Go to next button. Yeah, individual payment you have selected, but still it's not
Yes.
reflecting. Okay, this is one thing we need to identify. Fine, no problem. Then I think there is one more issue. Go back. Keep it. Go back. Go to the automatic payment program or give me the access. Give me the control. I have requested you. Okay. So this is the common issue where everybody will be facing. Many of you are facing. So what is the problem? Go to this display proposal. So here, if you can able to see the errors, okay, I'll come down. So normally the errors will be at the end. No, no. Postal code office entry is missing. What is this postal? Okay, go to the okay, leave it. I'll go FK02 once again. Enter. This is something strange.
I think one is debit entry is there, Niranjan. If it is any problem that.
That should not be a problem. Debit and credit also it will adjust.
Okay.
Okay, but the problem here, postal GIRO. I never seen this GIRO, but something is different. Office entry is missing. Okay, give me a second. Let me check from SAP blocks. Give me a second. Still I have control, right?
Yes, sir.
What's your company code? TGG.
TG06.
Yeah.
And let me show you the recording screen of yours, sir. In
Wait,
that I
not
can
recording.
find two.
1 minute, if you don't mind, please give me some time. Now I have done some corrections, right? So what I will do, I'll try to delete the proposal. I'll just go back. F110. Once again, because I have done configuration changes. Okay, let me try. Hopefully it should work now. Okay, it's working.
Yes.
Okay, but now the problem, how did I identify? I'm a consultant, but I never faced this issue. But based on my experience, I could able to resolve this. Okay, how? That is the most important, where all of you should understand. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'll share my screen. As soon as I saw the error from your screen, if it is well-known error, I can go and rectify it. I thought something postal, so I went to my vendor master and I have given that postal code, but still it is not rectified. Okay, so I have seen some postal, so I went to my vendor master and I have given that, but still it is not uh, accepting. So now I'm sharing my screen. Everyone can able to see my screen, right?
Yes, Naranjan.
Okay. Now I went to Google. I have given same thing in Google. Postal GIRO office entry is missing. I got so many things here. I will not be going to WordPress or this Michael. I'll not going to all these things. I just go to community. So don't go to other things. So this is the trusted one, community.sap.com. Okay. So I went to this particular. Okay. Next, I came down. Okay. Somebody else is facing same issue. So their error is also F110 only. And I came down. I have seen this. So by seeing this, I understood, okay, we need to verify. It's not a 100% solution. We cannot say that it's a 100% solution, but we have to try. Okay. So in the configuration, set up payment method per country, in country, under country. So then I went to under country. I have seen, okay. So I have seen that there was a selection for postal code button. I removed that two button because even in the training, I did not tell you to activate that button. That two buttons has been activated in your system. Maybe someone has activated or by mistake you might have activated. So I removed it, and as well as I removed that, if I run the program, it will not work. So I have to go back from the program. I have to rerun the program. I have deleted the proposal. I have rerun the proposal. Now it's working. Okay, this is how as a consultant you should able to do it. Same thing I do in my real time, my colleagues will do in the real time, even my seniors will do, my juniors will do in the real time. I want everyone to adopt this type of understanding about SAP. That's it. This is SAP consultant job. Okay, this is what the SAP consultant job in real time. I'll not be doing any debit entries, credit entries, nothing. So whatever the problems that they are facing in the real time, so this is an issue. I will be since I know the SAP system, I'll be rectifying it. 90% of our job is this is as a SAP FICO consultant. So since it belongs to finance, we need some basic financial knowledge. Okay, I hope you are clear.